Have you ever thought of having pizza for breakfast? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy egg pizza for breakfast. Sit back, watch and enjoy, and let's get straight into today's video.
Delicious cooking, home of delicacy, sweet of Come on, follow me. It's cooking and more. It's a place I love to be. It's a place I love to be. It's healthy cooking. It's a place I love to go. We are tasted and trusted, and we are reliable. It's healthy cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking and more. It's a place I love to go. Cooking delicious meal from around the world. Refreshing drinks, soothing feast, plantain and delightful smoothies, and this and more. It's cooking and more. It's a place I love to be. It's a place I love to be. It's healthy cooking. It's a place I love to go. We're tasted and trusted, and we are reliable. It's healthy cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you.
Anne's Cooking and More, cooking tasty and delicious recipes from around the world. Whether Jamaican, Nigerian, vegan, or vegetarian, you will be sure to find it on Anne's Cooking and More YouTube channel.
It's cooking. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you. It's cooking and more. 24/7. We're ready for you.
So this is my delicious parsnip and carrot breakfast. Hope you enjoy, and remember, eat good this year. Healthy body, healthy man, and I'm cooking. Are you cooking? So this is Anne's Cooking and More. So until I come again, God bless.